In today's review, I'm gonna go over the 5 and 6 inch recessed light with night light. We just installed this here. You see the night light. It's really neat. Makes the house very comfortable. And you have an extra recessed light. Once you turn on and off again, you get your night light. So I'm gonna show you how to install it. And it's really simple, guys. This is the original recessed light. You just got these 2 clips. It goes onto your clip, and then you just open it and it just clicks in. Okay, so let's jump on it, you guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna actually do reverse engineer here, and I'm gonna take this original one off. Oops. And you don't want to do what I do. Make sure you feel comfortable. Make sure you also turn everything off. Your breaker, if you're more comfortable, turn your breaker off. But this just comes right off, guys. Look, comes right off. Can you see that? Comes right off, these 2 clips. See that? The clips goes right in there. Let me show you here. But these 2 clips, guys, it just pops right into that 2 slot. And the nice thing about this here, it goes into the original. Voila, you see that? They designed it really simple. And then one more nice feature is you get to adjust your color. You get to 2700 and up to, I believe, 2700 to 5 different colors. So you got your warm white and up to your bright white. Again, very simple design. You can see the night light right here coming through here. And yes, it's made out of plastic, but the nice feature about this is it's metal. And if you want to, you have your connector here. See that? Pop on to connect to your original light socket. But this is the original can light, the old style, old fashioned, and just by a $20, $15 upgrade makes a big difference. You see this pops in here into your original. It goes into this slot and you pop it on like that and you put your light bulb on. That was the original style, guys. But again, we're gonna pop this back on here. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Real simple here. The socket, and this is I believe A18 or 19 socket here, original light bulb socket, okay? Let me see, pop it on, tuck the lights up, the wiring, pop the socket up here, the clips here. Let me see here. And then, see this clip? You want the wire, get the wire out, okay? You see the 2 clips here, up and on. Just like that, guys, okay? And let me get the other side here, came off here. And then you just slide it on. It's a flush style, so it makes it very nice. Doesn't hang down a little bit, it's just flush. Clean look to the house here. So 1 light switch and turn off, and 1 more time, and bam, get the nice feel to it here. But yeah, I really recommend the product, guys.